Welcome to the historic Harwelden Mansion, a bed and breakfast and event venue located in Tulsa, Oklahoma, overlooking the Arkansas River. My name is Jezz. At our events, we use a variety of creative napkin designs to add a touch of elegance to our table settings. In this video, we'll show you how to fold a napkin with a buffet pouch. This is a simple but elegant design that holds a set of silverware. We're using cotton napkins that are 19 inches square. Cotton is a much better material than polyester napkins, which don't do as well maintaining their form. Some people prefer to perform the fold on a small plate, while others prefer a flat surface. You'll want to start with the napkin folded in quarters. Place the open corners in the upper right-hand position and pull the first layer of that corner all the way to the opposite side. You're going to fold back 2 more layers and tuck them in as you go. Next, carefully grab the corner, turn the whole napkin over and fold back about 1/3 of it. Fold again. Next, you're going to insert the silverware into the compartments you've created. The knife goes first in the back slot on the right side, then the fork on the left side and the spoon in the middle. So there you have it. Stay tuned for more videos that demonstrate some of our other popular napkin designs, and check out our Mansion How-To playlist for more videos about how to experience a taste of the mansion life from the comfort of your own home.